Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Fired Phoenix here today, and we are going to be playing with one of my good friends, Perfect Penguin. You can say hi if you want. Okay then. But should we go tilted? I will see you guys when we get on the battle bus. Alright, where are we dropping, boy? Tilted? Let's go. And guys, if any of you want to play with me, like a subscriber video, then please just comment your gamer tag down in the comments below and I will get back to you. Yeah, I've already had one subscriber ask me to play with them. Oh yeah, it's called Fired Phoenix 666. I've got over 33. I think I've got like 33 subscribers. I'm gonna land at this house. Okay. Oh no. Perfect. Oh god. Yeah. So you guys don't have to wait. I will see you when we get in to retail. Haven't you? I haven't. I haven't. Oh. I got a free 10 tiers a couple days ago. I don't even know why. No. Like, it didn't even take down any of my V-Bucks. It's so weird. Like, I just, logged on and it said, congratulations, free 10 V-Bucks. And I was like, not 10 V-Bucks, 10 Battle Pass tiers. And I was like, okay, I hope it hasn't bought it. And then it went on and it didn't buy it, so I don't know what's happened. I already have 100 shield. Not the whole of retail. That would be great, but it's probably not gonna happen. There probably will be that just one player who's there and he's like running across and just gets sniped and it's not us. It's like, what the fuck? And it's like 1,000-meter snipe. Yeah? Yeah? Alright. I think we were the only people who went here, but I don't want to jinx myself because I've got a chest over here. Oh my god, I haven't even got an AR yet. Like, I've got a scoped AR, but still. Oh! Bruh. I just got a sniper. Yeah. Whoa! Lucky boy. I still haven't even got an not an RPG, an AR. What is this? Oh, is it 3? When you try your best, but you don't succeed. Mom, I'm recording. Oh, I finally got a common AR. My lucky day. Oh my god. What, for a common AR? Alright then, I'll do it. Oh, I got a green AR. I'm alright. I'll take this green AR. Oh my! I'm done. I'm actually done. Alright, so I dropped my blue AR down there. I come upstairs. I think there's a blue assault rifle here. Blue scoped assault rifle. No, I thought it was a blue AR. So I came upstairs, started mining it, and then I realised it was actually another scoped AR. Thanks for the ammo. Yeah, that was mine. Glug, 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 glug. What? What time will we get back? Yeah, and what time will we be getting back? Anyway, you didn't even ask me to take any of my toys. Well, not toys, like, you know, like figures. No! No! Leave me alone! This is trolley abuse. We had the whole of retail to ourselves and we don't even get that much good loot. Ow! Okay, bye. Wait, a purple tack? What are you talking about? Alright. What do you mean a I need that supply. There's a supply over here, I need it. No. It's your brother from another mother. I need it though. Never. I had to. It's just so I can get this supply. Don't. Really? Really? No. Oh my god, let's try it, let's try it, let's try it. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Oh, 3. Alright, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. No! No, the RPG's up there.
Right, see you in a bit further.
Where the hell is it? Oh, it's down there. Alright, I need to jump down and grab it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Alright, just grab your RPG. Got 7 now. Right, let's just try. Where? Yeah. Right. Wait, does rocket run out now? Right, I know where you're gonna. Yeah. Grab a gravity crystal, and then you're gonna rocket ride me all the way over to the circle. Yeah. Damn it. Alright then. As soon as I grab a gravity crystal. Alright. Right. Come over here. We're gonna grab a gravity crystal. Like, can you just build a ramp, sort of? So as soon as I grab a gravity crystal, I can quickly run up, jump, and then, you know. Right, so quickly build a ramp. Quick, 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 quick. Rocket run me over to there. Rocket run me over to the base. You know what? I want to bring you with me. Let's go. No. What, with the gravity crystal? Right, there's a player behind us. Right, rocket run me over there. Rocket run me down there. Right, okay, rocket run me to that little base there. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Really? Right, let's just go. No. I physically can't. They're literally right here. Shoot him down! Wait, there's a player right here. There's a player right here! In here. Oh, it's a ninja guy! Ah! Oh, hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Come inside, 5. Come inside, 5. 5, come inside. 5. We are so dead. Hello, we are so dead. Alright. Unplug it and plug it back in. Oh my god. Go. I don't have any resources. Okay, yeah. Wait, the player down here. Right. Grab it and run into circle. Grab the loot. I need bandies. Ow! Ow! Alright, he's on me. Dude, he's on me. I need that to shield. Oh, there's 2. But you have full shield and you have more health than me. Can't you use the bandies? There's players over there. Going for the supply. They're going for the supply. RPG him. Yeah, RPG him and then just assault rifle them. And just keep on assault rifling them. I just assisted the shit out of you. Wait. Don't rush. I'm bandying. Uh-oh. 5, player rushing you. Player rushing you. Little did he know, he was messing with what? Cena. Ba ba da ba. Ba da ba da ba. No. Boom. Oh, I just denied him.